Yo, what is up? What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Turks. Today, guys, I have an unboxing for you guys. But before we get into the unboxing, I do want to remind you guys to smash that subscribe button. If you are new to the channel, make sure you give it a thumbs up, guys, so it can push out the algorithm and suggest this to more and more people. And comment down below what you think of this unboxing. So I've already took it out the box technically, but it's still in the shoebox, if you know what I mean. You can tell this is the Bape star right here. And then you have the Adidas symbol. This is the old school Adidas symbol. Okay, comes in this sleeve thing. You can kind of peel off, sort of slowly just slide off there. And these are, if you don't know what these are Adidas / Bape 84 forum. This is the 30-year anniversary. They dropped in a lot of places on the Confirmed app, and they also dropped at the Bape store online. So I was able to buy these off Bape store. Let me just fix my camera. And I did get these for retail, which is about $180. After shipping and fees, it comes out to about $194. So it is kind of a lot for some forums. You can see there the Bape logo, the gorilla, whatever. A Bathing Ape, Adidas. Comes in a cool box, special box. Oops, you didn't see that. And you can see here the 30, it is the 30-year anniversary of Bape. So it has a special box, special lid, everything, which I really like. Then you have this little baggy thing, like a mesh bag, Adidas, and once again the Bathing Ape on each side. It has a little camel print. You can see on there blue. So let's get into, and it does bring some extra laces. These are camo laces that I might throw on there. Adidas and Bape. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And even the paper that comes in is obviously has the Bape camo on there. You peel that off. And let's check it out. So here you have, by the way, each shoe is individually wrapped, which is pretty cool. You have the Adidas Bape collab. This is a Forum 84, and you have the Bape logo right there, the Bapesta, the Bape logo. 30-year anniversary. This is pretty cool. You can remove this if you don't like it. And like I said, these do come with extra laces, like I showed you. Look into the insole. Has the Adidas on there in gold. You look at the tongue. Has the Adidas logo as well. And on the front, it has the 30-year, but it's a 3 and then the logo, the Bape logo, which is pretty cool. Green camel print is for the men, and the blue camel print is for the females. I don't know if they do extended sizes. This is a size 11 men, but pretty cool shoe so far. Pretty special box, and you know, the leather is pretty premium in my opinion. I just like the aesthetic of it. It's gonna be a shoe I'm gonna wear in the summer a lot, and this is only probably my second pair of Forums. I do have a blue pair for sale if you are interested. I'll show you pictures of that later, but I am selling a blue pair of Forums for 50 bucks. So if you want it, I will send it to you. It does not have a box, but it is dead stock and all that good stuff. Yeah, you can see the outsole on this one. It's your typical Forum outsole. It has this little Velcro strap, which is something I'm not used to wearing so much, but it's pretty cool. So the left, this is the left shoe, okay? And it does have this one, 30 year. Now let me show you the right shoe, because the left one has the Adidas emblem on there. However, the right shoe, pull this out. The right shoe has the Bape emblem in gold, which is pretty sick. Everything else looks the same, except for this says a bathing ape instead of Adidas. The insoles also, this one has a bathing ape insole, the little logo brand there. And look at the quality of that shoe. I mean, it looks great. It's your typical Adidas Forum, but in a more premium fashion, of course, since it is a collab with Bathing Ape. So, you know, there's obviously more touches of Bape on here. So, if you guys want me to do an on-feet review, I will do one. Currently on feet, I do have the, I don't know if I can see on here, but ow. I have the Jordan 4 canvas on with these shorts, and you know, just a summer vibe. This will definitely get put on feet. I don't know where, I don't know how I'm gonna style it. I really like to match, but I think with this one I don't have to. But we'll see what comes out of this one. So anyway, guys, I don't want to make this review too long. You guys can see all the goodies, and I am going to put these in one of my boxes and wear them very, very soon. Like I said, it comes in a special box. You guys can read on there. It says 484 Bape Low, size 11, and the colorway is well, I don't know, because it is in German, so, but it is the big camo, guys. Anyway, guys, that'll do it for the review. Let me know if you enjoyed it. If you guys want me to do an on-feet review, comment down below. Comment down below which shoes you guys want to see me review next. I do have a couple of shoes I've been selling. So if you guys are interested, you're a size 11, 10 and a half, DM me down below. We might be able to ship those out to you for a good price. Most of the shoes I sell, I'm selling under retail. I'm not even selling for resale. I'm selling below retail. So if you're interested, comment down below. And if you're a size 11 or 10 and a half, hit me up and I'll show you guys what shoes I do have for sale. So that'll do it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.